Hello, it's Mike Grady from Business Fuel Tools, and I'm answering the question of the week. So, the question we got, what is the best affiliate marketing tools that would help you in your affiliate marketing business and boost your sales? Well, the short answer is your smartphone and a sales funnel. That's what we use. See, a sales funnel is kind of like cloning your top salesperson and letting them close sales for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. The best salesperson to sell your product is you. You're the best salesperson on the planet to sell your product. There is nobody that believes in your products more than you do. Even if you hired a great salesperson, they're not you. There's nobody that can sell your products better than you can. So guess what? You're the one that sells it all day long, every single day, because you're obsessed with it, because you love it, because you created it. And that's the key, your emotion, your enthusiasm. Instead of having 60 full-time salespeople in an office, you can now replace them with one sales funnel. Now, what will you need? You're going to need a landing/offer page. You'll need a thank you page. You'll need an upsell page, and then lastly, you need a downsell page that leads to a final thank you page or checkout page. So all you need to do is record your pitch and make sure your pitch is perfect. You can test it and tweak it and test it again and tweak it. And then after you have it perfect and it works and it converts, then never touch it again. See, the nice thing about it is when your funnel works, when the sales process is in place and converting, if you woke up in a bad mood that day, doesn't matter. You still close exactly the same amount and the same percentage every day because that video never changes. So if you're tired and you don't want to go to work, if you're sick and you can't go to work, if you want to go on vacation for a month, or if you just want to take an entire year off like Tim Ferriss, it doesn't matter. Your sales funnel keeps on closing every single day. That video never changes. People just keep watching the same thing over and over. People see the best salesperson in the world. So record a video on your smartphone. I've done this thousands of times. Now you're probably asking, well, what do I say? And how do I say it? Right, I totally get that. So what I want to do is I'm going to give you a real short script that I use all the time. This is a script. Who, what, why, and how. It's that simple. Who, what, why, how. Most of my videos today are done on my iPhone. It's been that way for a long time. I have a pop socket on the back of my phone so that I can hold it with one hand and talk into it. Then I turn on the camera and I know I can sell everything by answering those 4 questions. Question number 1, who are you? Mike Grady. Number 2, what do you have for the person who's watching the video? What product am I promoting? Number 3, why do they need it? And number 4, how do they get it? Click the link below. It's the easiest and most magical script in the world, and it works great. So let's say you have a book that you want to sell. So you take out your phone, you click record, and you say, hey, my name is, insert your name. I'm here today at whatever place you're at, whether you're in your office or out and about. I'm really, really excited because I've got this really cool book, and you show the book. I want you guys to buy the book and give them the name of the book. You need this book because give reason number 1, reason number 2, reason number 3, and that's why you need the book. And then fill out the form on the side to let us know where you want us to ship your book. Put in the credit card just to cover the shipping. Boom. That's it. That's the video script. Record that video. Now, you can do this with a book or any affiliate product that you want. See, that's how we do our videos for our products, affiliate offers, whatever we're promoting. Using who, what, why, and how. I don't care what you're selling. This is a script you can use over and over and over again on all your funnels. This script will make you insane amounts of money. It's fast, it's simple, and it doesn't have to be highly produced. Matter of fact, if they're not, they work better. Now, if you got other videos for your offer, your thank you, your upsell, your downsell videos, all that stuff you put into your funnel. You just plug them into the funnel and it does the work for you. See, in the past, what I used to do is I used to take all these video assets and then I'd have a meeting with my design team. And we'd have designers and programmers and webmasters, analytics people, all that stuff. And I'm telling you, it was a huge pain in the butt. I'd tell them all this stuff. I'd give them all the videos. I'd give them all the copy. And they would go and spend the next 2 or 3 months building out a sales funnel. And that's how business was for me from really about 2005 on. The whole thing took forever. And I really hated it. But today I've got a new way, a better way, which of course my team and I use every day. So now that you have a kick-ass video plugged into a kick-ass sales funnel, now how do you get the exact same customers who are currently going to your competitors' funnels? To get them to start coming to your funnel instead, as opposed to going to your competitor. And this, of course, is the last step. How do you get traffic? How do you get leads? How do you get people to come through your funnels as opposed to your competitors? Now, this is where it all becomes really, really fun. Imagine if you could call up your competitor and ask them, where do you get all your traffic from? What do you think would happen? Well, they'd probably just hang up on you, right? So, unfortunately, your competitor won't tell you any of that information. See, but the internet will. And this is a really cool thing that I learned several years ago. There are several different analytics websites that will tell you everything you want to know about your competitor. They'll tell you every single thing that everybody's doing. There's no really way to hide it online. Same thing for you. Now, one of my favorite sites is called SimilarWeb. I'll put a link in the description below. It'll actually show you what any website is getting traffic from. So I go to SimilarWeb and I type in the URL of a competitor I'm targeting. I click on the search button and boom, there's all the information you could ever possibly want to know. All the data about what's happening on that website. If you scroll down, you'll see a report that says top referring websites. Who is referring them all their traffic? If you scroll down a little further on that report, you'll see a report that's called display advertising. If you click the big button that says show the ads, I call it the show me the money button. Guess what it shows you? All the actual ads that they're running. Exactly, word for word, all the pictures, everything. And unfortunately, if you upgrade to the paid version, you can actually see how long the ads ran. So tip number 1, short running ads didn't work. Long running ads, or the ones that are still live, those are the ones that are working and producing money. So now you know exactly where your competitor's advertising, exactly what they're saying to get people to click on their ad and come into their funnel. Now, what you can do is don't copy anything. What you want to do is design your own ads. Again, don't copy them, but use them as templates so you can design your own ads and start buying traffic from those websites. Now, where do you get your banners? I get them from $20banners.com, or you can go get them from Canva for free. But like I said, now you know where all your competitors' traffic is coming from. Create similar ads, buy advertising on the same websites that they're advertising on, and you can grab their traffic and put it into your business. So I hope this was helpful for your business. Now, go ahead, take action, implement this stuff, and I hope it helps your business.